Hey, what's happening, people? As you know, it's another day, another hair unit. Hair unit home visits is something that's been popular right now. Literally, I've just been driving around 24/7, going to different places, different locations. I actually look forward to doing the hair unit home visits, man. It's good to see a lot of different people's surroundings. You know what I'm saying? Get to talking with a lot of different people. You know, it's a vibe majority of the time. So right now we're gonna visit one of my clients. I've been doing his hair unit for a while now. I just thought I would, I'll take you with me for the journey, So this is what we're gonna be doing today. Peace. Yep, so I've arrived to my location. Time to get my stuff out of the car, and let's get trimming. What's going on, people? Glad you all are here right now. I'm about to do a hair unit. I'm going to take you through all of the steps. Make sure you have your notepads. Make sure you take as many tips as possible. I've been trying to do my clients here in his house recorded for ages. Now we're finally here. Hope you enjoy it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Share it to all your people. Peace. What's going on, people? What's going on? Right now I'm just putting some of the ghost on the corners. You know what I mean? We're just gonna make the corners look real natural. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I want everybody to really get in tune with this, man. The hair units are the future. I've been saying it over and over and over again. If you don't know, get to know, man. I'm just wailing. You know what I mean? But while that's drying, I wanted to let you all know I'm going to be doing courses on hair units coming real soon. So make sure you hit me up, send me your name, your number, your email address, so I can keep a log of all of those things that are going to be happening soon. I'm mobile majority of the time, so if you do want to have a hair unit, you can follow me on Instagram, Nathan5star. Follow the shop, Smith's H Studio. I'm not the only person who does hair units in the shop, so if you want to follow the shop, Smith's Hair Studio, you can. Hit up any of the barbers. Look, we're all trying to change the game. We're trying to break the mold, man. You know what I'm saying? In the States, they're killing it from the hair units right now. So we're just trying to bring it in full effect. You know what I'm saying? But until then, I'm out here doing these hair units on YouTube, man. Yo, welcome to Hollywood, my bro. Yeah, your hair unit's looking as sharper than ever right now. Come on, man, bro, it was a pleasure cutting your hair today, man. Thank you for letting me come, man. Thank you for letting me come into your humble abode, man. This is a message to all of the young barbers out there who's interested in doing hair units. Make sure you hit me up. I'm happy to answer any questions. I got my courses coming soon, like I said earlier. Just send me your name, your number, your email address, and then I'll put you on the list. So as soon as I open up the courses, I'll let you know. Yeah, man, just keep chopping it up, man. Keep stepping up your game day by day in whatever it is, man, because you know all crafts are the same. It's just a hustle. So you just gotta make sure you stay on your grind, man. SHS to the world. Ah, snap. Before I finish, I'm gonna be doing home visits a lot now. Yeah, so if you want a hair unit, you don't have to just come into the shop no more. You can shout me, let me know that you want me to come over to your house. I'll give you a day, I'll give you a time. Just send me over a deposit and I'll be right there, man. Yeah, man, bro. I had fun. Pleasure. Thank you for having me here again. Shout out to Smith's Hair Studio, the whole team. You know what I'm saying? Big up all of you lot, not once but 2 times. Everyone that's been watching me throughout the whole process, man. I appreciate you all. Make sure you stay locked in. Like, subscribe. Make sure you catch me on YouTube, Nathan 5-Star, reporting to you live and direct. Peace.